Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share. So today I'll be making some good old potato salad, and if you want to see how I made this, then stick around. This video literally finished before it even started. So I have 2 cloves of garlic, salt and potatoes to some cold water, brought that to a boil, cooked the potatoes, strained off the water. Now I'm adding some onion and chives, cream cheese and mayo. You can add to taste for this recipe, take away and add more if you would like. And then I'm just going to go in with a pinch of salt. Then I'm going in with a pinch of granulated sugar, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Now you can omit the paprika, I like it for the little color it gives. Some green onions / scallions. Then I'm just going to stir that around and add a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons rather of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. And then I'm adding some frozen mixed veg that I warmed up in the potato water. And yeah, this is it. And you know guys, potato salad always tastes nicer the next day, so this was bomb. Now if you've already subscribed, thank you so much, I really do appreciate it. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, don't be shy. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.